Yep, right there. Oh, hey, don't mind me, just rolling out my piriformis. One of the muscles that we've been looking at with the hips this week, especially in regards to how its weakness and weakness of the other external hip rotators can lead to knee pain in runners. So let's just dive into this and see what I'm doing here. I've got my left leg crossed over on the right, and I'm rolling out my left piriformis. At this point, I'm especially on the inside border of the piriformis where it is attached at the sacrum. So it goes from about right here on the hip bone all the way to the sacrum there, and it is involved in helping to externally rotate the hip. So I'm looking through here, looking for any spots that feel especially tight or tender. Find one of those spots, just hang out on it. Park there, give it some time, roll back and forth on it. You're looking to spend, as long as it takes really up to 30 to 60 or even 90 seconds to get that spot to relax. If you're on a spot and you notice like your foot starts to tingle or anywhere else down the leg, you're probably on your sciatic nerve and you want to get off of it. So don't park on the sciatic nerve. If that spot doesn't feel like it's changing after tops 90 seconds, then you want to move and get onto a different area. But you can roll through this whole section of the piriformis, but especially focusing on the border of the sacrum and then again on the outside of the hip. With that part, I'm going to pivot a little. I'm going to get onto this lateral outside portion of my hip here, and I'm going to give that a little more bias by rotating over onto this area. Same thing, rolling back and forth, looking for those spots that feel ugly, not pretty, sore, painful, tender, however you want to describe it. Just park on those spots, find one that doesn't feel good, give it some love, make it calm down a little bit. And that's how we roll out the piriformis.